Welcome back SM Online class. In this class, we are going to discuss angle between lines having DCS and DRS. Okay, and discuss some example of elements book. Okay, so angle between two lines. Okay, let L1 and L2 be two lines having DCS L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2. Okay. The DCS of, that is direction cosine of L1 line, this is L1, M1 and N1, and direction cosine of L2 line, this is L2, M2 and N2. If theta is the angle okay, then cos theta equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0. Okay, this is the angle between DCS of the two lines is given. This is L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0. Okay, so the two lines are perpendicular if this is 90 degree, this is L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0. Okay, this is the perpendicularity case. If the two lines are perpendicular, if L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0, and parallel or collinear if the direction cosine is proportional, this is L1 by L2 equal to M1 by M2 equal to N1 by N2. Okay, if DRS are given, direction ratio are given, that is A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2 are given, then cos theta equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by plus minus A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square root over into A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square root over. Okay, and the two lines are perpendicular having DRS. Perpendicular if A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0, and the two lines are parallel if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Okay, and if there is DCS and DRS are given, the two lines are perpendicular if L1 into A1 plus M1 into this is B1 plus N1 into C1 equal to also 0. Okay, so now discuss example 1, page number 376. question, this is example 1. Find the direction cosine. Find the direction cosine of the line which is perpendicular to the line which is perpendicular to the line whose direction ratio, which DRS, okay, direction ratios are this is 1 minus 2 3, 1 minus 2 3 and 2 2 1. Okay, this is the question. We have find out DCS of the line which is perpendicular to the line. The DRS of first line is 1 minus 2 3 and DRS of second line is 2 2 1. Okay, let us take the DCS of the required line, that is element. Okay, let DCS of required line element. So according to question, what? According to question, this is L into 1 plus M into minus 2 plus N into 3 equal to 0. Let this is equation first, and again L into 2 plus M into 2 plus N into 1 equal to 0. Let it is equation second. Okay, so solving this two equation by cross multiplication, okay, we get here this is L upon this is minus 2 into 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 6. Okay, minus 2 minus 2 minus 6, this is minus 8 equal to M upon this is 3 2 just 6. Okay, 3 2 just 6 minus 1, this is 5, and N upon this is 1 into 2, this is 2 plus 4, this is 6. So minus 8 5 6. Okay, this is the what? DRS. This is minus 8A 5B and 6 equal to C. So here A equal to minus 8, B equal to 5 and C equal to 6. So A square plus B square plus C square root over equal to this is minus 8 square, this is 64, this is 25 plus this is 36 and this is 36, 64, this is 100 plus 25, this is 125 and root over of 125 equal to what? This is 5 root 5. Okay, now the value of L equal to what? This is minus 8 upon 5 root 5. M equal to this is 5 upon 5 root 5 and N equal to this is 6 upon 5 root 5. So 5 cancel, 1 by root 5. So DCS is minus 8 by 5 root 5, 1 by root 5 and 6 by 5 root 5. So this is the solution of example 1. Now move to example 2. example 2, this is prove that the two lines whose direction cosine cosine are connected by the equation L plus 2m plus 3n equal to 0, 3ln minus 4ln plus mn equal to 0. This is the question. Okay, we have to find out, we have to prove the two lines whose direction cosine, whose DCS are connected by the equation this is the first equation, this is the second equation. There are the DCS are connected by the equation. Okay, and we have to prove that the given DCS of the two equations of that two lines, okay, are what? Perpendicular. Clear? Now first we have solved this two equation to find out its DRS. Okay, आमे जदि DCS और DRS, we know that DCS and DRS are proportional to each other. Okay, so जदि आमे DCS किंबा DRS जदि आमे बाहर करि दे पारुछे ए दुईटी इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करि की, ताहले आमे से करेस्पोंडिंग दुईटी लाइन रो DCS और DRS को मल्टीप्लाई जदि कर दवा ताहले जदि 0 आसी ताहले हमरो प्रूफटा हे जिवो. ओके, सो now solve this two equation. First I write here the two equation are given by the two equation are given by this is L plus 2m plus 3n equal to 0. This is equation first, and another this is 3ln minus 4ln plus mn equal to 0. This is the equation second. Okay, so from equation first we get here this is L equal to what? This is minus of 2m plus 3n. Okay, and putting the value of L in this equation, putting L in equation second. Okay, so we get here this is 3 into m and this is 3 into m and this is the value of L, so this is minus of 2m plus 3n. Okay, then minus this minus and this minus plus, so this is plus 4n into this is 2m plus 3n. Now this is what? Mn. Okay, plus mn equal to 0. Now solving this two equation we get here this is minus 6m square and this is minus 9mn plus this is 8mn and this is 12m square, this is plus mn equal to 0. Okay, and this is minus 9mn plus 8mn, this is minus mn and this is plus mn, 0. So here this is 12m square equal to 6m square. Okay, so implies that 12m square equal to what? This is 6m square, and this is m square equal to what? This is 2m square, or m equal to this is plus minus root 2 into n. Okay, this is the value of m. Now if we find out the value of m, then we find out the value of l. So this is l equal to what? This is minus of, this is 2 into m, this is 2 root 2. Okay, so plus minus 2 root 2 plus minus 2 root 2, okay, into n, and this is plus 3 into n, plus 3 into n. So taking n as common, so this is minus of n, 3 यदि हम first लिखेगा, this is 3 minus 3 plus minus 2 root into n. This is the value of l. Okay, now we have find out the value of m equal to what? This is plus minus root 2 into n. Okay, and we have find out the value of l. This is minus of 3 plus minus 2 root 2 into n. Clear? Now come to the point. We have right here, this is n equal to what? This is m upon plus minus root 2, and here it is also right here m equal to l upon minus of 3 plus minus 2 root 2. Okay, so combining the two equation, we get here this is m by plus minus root 2 equal to, sorry, this is first l right here, this is first l, this is l upon, this is minus of 3 plus minus 2 root 2, and this is m upon plus minus root 2. Okay, and this is n upon 1. I write here this is in denominator, this is 1. So it is in the form of what? L by A equal to m by B equal to n by C. But ये जो हमें जो इक्वेशन लिखिले, this is the proportionality, this is L by A equal to m by B equal to n by C. But यही इक्वेशन रे दुईटी लाइन रो DRS टा अछि. Okay, first we have separate them. Again, ये जो हमें जो इक्वेशन टा लिखिले, this is L by minus of 3 plus minus 2 root 2 equal to m by plus minus root 2 equal to n by 1. Okay, यही इक्वेशन रे दुईटी लाइन रो DRS का मिसी की अछि, गोटे प्लस हिसाब रे अछि आ गोटे माइनस हिसाब रे अछि. ओके, तो फर्स्ट हमें ताको सेपरेट कर दबा. ओके, देन we have proceed to the question, that is prove that the two lines whose direction cosine are connected by the equation, this is equal to, prove that we have two lines, the two lines are perpendicular. ओके, जदि हमें DRS बाहर कर देले, दुईटी लाइन रो जदि हमें इंडिविजुअल DRS बाहर कर देले, that is L1 लाइन रो DRS and L2 लाइन रो DRS by this equation. ओके, ताहले हमें से DRS corresponding DRS दुईटी लाइन रो मल्टीप्लाई कर देले हमरो प्रूफ टा हे. ओके, सो हियर Now DRS of first line. Here DRS are given by, so DRS are, this is minus of 3 plus minus 2 root 2, okay, and this is plus minus root 2 and 1. This is the DRS, okay. Now DRS of, I write here direct A1 B1 C1, okay, or DRS of first line. This is A1 B1 C1 equal to, okay, this is minus of 3, first is plus sign, plus 2 root 2, then plus root 2, okay, and then 1, okay. Now DRS of second line. This is, let A2 B2 C2 equal to, this is, then use minus sign, minus of 3 minus 2 root 2, okay, and then minus root 2 and then 1. This is the DRS of first line and second line. Now A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. We have to find out the value of A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. And it must be 0 because we have to prove that the two lines are perpendicular. Okay, so here now A1, B1, sorry, A1, A2, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal here. This is A1, A2. So this is minus, this is minus plus, okay, and this is A plus B into A minus B. So this is A square minus B square. So this is 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. This is 8. Okay. And this is plus root 2 into minus root 2. This is minus 2. Okay. And sorry, this is minus, this is 3 minus 2 root 2. I write here this is 2 root 2 minus 3 there. This is 2 root 2 minus 3. Okay. And this is minus root 2. So now A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to what? This is minus of. Okay. And this is 2 root 2 plus 3 and 2 root 2 minus 3. Okay. 2 root 2 plus 3 and 2 root 2 minus 3. This is 8 minus 9. Okay. This is 2 root 2 plus 3 and this is 2 root 2, this is 2 root 2 minus 3. This is 8 minus 9. Now this is plus root 2 into minus root 2. This is minus root 2 minus 2 and this is plus 1. Okay. And this is equal to, this is minus 1 and this is plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Okay. And this is equal to 2 minus 2. This is 0. Clear? Now this is, we have to prove the two lines are what? This is, the two lines are perpendicular because a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to what? That is 0. Okay. I mean a term is gonna change no kale bhi hobo. Eta kono thila? This is minus of 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so this is minus minus plus here, and this is a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. This is 9 minus this is 8. Okay, and this is minus 2 and this is plus 1. So this is 1 minus 2 plus 1. This is also 0. Okay, so this is all about example 2. Okay, in the next class we discuss example 3 and example 4 on elements book. Okay, so till that, take care and thanks to all of you.